Select Quick Checkout from the cashiering module for a quick way to filter and view only guests who are due out today. The in-house guest search screen displays, showing all guests scheduled to depart today. Use the search fields to locate a specific guest or group of guests if needed. The Quick Checkout feature will not display transaction details unless you select Billing. To check out one guest at a time, highlight the reservation and select Checkout. Each folio window's payment screen displays, and once settled will proceed with the checkout. Checkout 0 will immediately check out all due-out guests who have a zero balance. This option is typically used for group or block guests whose charges have all been routed to a group posting master. Select Checkout All to check out all guests in the grid. The payment screens will display in succession for each reservation with a non-zero balance. We will proceed with our quick checkout example by checking out 3 guests at once. Place an X to the left of the 3 reservations, then select Checkout. The payment window for each folio window within the reservation will open in succession to settle any folios with a balance. Notice at the top of each payment window, the folio window number, the guest's name, and room number display. Once one guest is complete, you will be prompted with the next guest for settlement, and so on. Once all folios have been settled, you are returned to the in-house guest search screen where those 3 reservations no longer display in the grid, as they are now checked out.